Tricon Infotech, Success Cases, Financial Diligence Solution. A young real estate loan servicing company was in the business of identifying and purchasing the best quality home loans from banks. Banks would submit their loans to a variety of loan servicing companies for consideration. But this particular loan servicer could only accept Excel spreadsheets placed into a Dropbox folder. The loan servicer staff would process these spreadsheets one at a time and then perform their due diligence on each application individually. It was a slow process, and the loan servicer was losing out to its faster competitors who were purchasing the best loans. The company's leaders knew they needed to improve their turnaround time quickly. The loan servicing company hired Tricon Infotech to build a comprehensive, automated solution. The new system allows the company to create evaluation rules to process, filter, and rank the loans quickly. Now the company can process submissions immediately, evaluate them quickly, and respond ahead of its competitors. The new digital solution from Tricon Infotech successfully transformed the business. To learn more or hear more success stories like this one, visit triconinfotech.com. Tricon Infotech, partnering with success.